What if one power bank could keep your laptop, phone, even your drone powered all day long without carrying a single extra cable? This is the UGREEN 165W power bank, a compact 20,000 milliamp brick with serious output, a smart display, a built-in retractable USB-C cable that could honestly replace your entire charging setup. One of the stars of this power bank is definitely the built-in 25.6-inch retractable USB-C cable. UGREEN rates the retraction mechanism for over 10,000 extend and retract cycles. That's years of daily use without worrying, and the retractable cable extends smoothly and locks in place, then disappears flush into the body when you're done. And that cable alone supports up to 100 watts, which is enough power for most laptops, tablets, game devices, drone batteries, and anything else under the 100-watt mark. It comes with a built-in USB-C cable, plus an extra USB-C and a USB-A port. USB-C1 and C2 both push 100 watts, and the USB-A goes up to 33 watts. Pause the video to see the full breakdown. This thing charges pretty much everything. Drones, no problem, 15 watts. Drone battery charging hubs, 45 watts. MacBook Air, up to 100 watts. There are so many variables. Such a great device to have, especially for drone batteries out in the field. And since it can output up to 165 watts total, you can mix and match. Charge a cell phone on the retractable cable, run another power bank off the USB-C port, and top up your earbuds or a Neo 2 drone on the USB-A port, all at the same time. On the front, here's the other cool feature. It is the smart TFT display showing your battery percentage, wattage output, and which ports are active. Super helpful when you're juggling multiple devices. On the second screen, it'll give you real-time voltage, real-time current, and real-time power curve. Fun information to get more educated about your electronics you're charging. Now for the specs. The unit measures about 2.1 inches wide, 5 3/4 inches tall, and roughly 2 inches thick. It weighs about 530 grams, so it definitely has some weight to it. Some good news is it's only 72 watt-hours, which puts it comfortably under the 100 watt-hour airline limit, so it's fully approved for carry-on travel. My plan is to use it on flights to power my laptop, phone, and tablet, and especially out in the field to recharge drone batteries when I have no access to outlets. The pros are it has a built-in cable with the 10,000 cycle durability, 165 watts total output, and it charges in 1.9 hours with a 100-watt charger. It also has smart wattage display. The cons are it's heavier at 530 grams, it's chunky at almost 6 inches tall, you'll want a proper PD charger to refill it fast, and you don't always get the full 20K due to efficiency losses. Overall, the UGREEN 165-watt power bank is one of the most versatile units you can carry. The retractable cable alone makes it worth it. If you want one power bank that can handle your laptop, drone batteries, phone, and tablet, this is easily one of the best all-round options. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you would use to charge this with.